The magnificent Linlithgow Palace, birthplace of Mary, Queen of Scots, and residence to the great Scottish monarchs of the 15th and 16th centuries. So great were the parties here. It's rumoured that the fountains flowed red with wine. Now these stones have stood for centuries, but now they're under threat. With more frequent storms and flooding, conservationists say they're already seeing the impact of climate change.
These monuments are right on the front line of climate change, and they've already felt the effect of several decades of changing weather patterns. And we're well aware of that. We see that every day in the role that we do.
Warmer, wetter seasons can mean an increase in plants and moss on vulnerable stone. According to the Royal Meteorological Society, 9 of the 10 warmest years for the UK have occurred since 2002. But it's not just castles and palaces affected. Edinburgh World Heritage say a rise in Airbnbs and absentee landlords means a drop in maintenance in our city tenements too. So tonight, Edinburgh hosts the launch of a new climate heritage network, the first of its kind in the world. It brings together global culture and climate leaders who want to raise awareness in their own communities of what can be done.
It's tremendous it's being done in here in Edinburgh. It's a reflection on the way in which Scotland has at a national level and at a local level tried to incorporate cultural heritage into its overall targets for CO2 emission reduction. Stone does decay. Stone isn't there forever and ever and ever. The weather affects it, and particularly with climate change, we're seeing more intense rainfall events, more soaking of the stone. That leads to faster decay as well.
We shouldn't be despondent about it. There's lots we can do to increase the resilience. The historic environment's by definition been around for a long time. In many cases it was well constructed, well built. It has an inherent resilience, and we need to give it a fighting chance into the future.
Laura Piper, STV News.